Hi, my name is Brian McSweeney, and I am a structural engineering instructor with PPI, specifically for the NCEES Structural Engineering exam. I look forward to teaching this course and to interacting with you throughout the process as you prepare for what is one of the toughest, most challenging exams of your career, to share what I learned and to assist you in your study process. By way of an introduction, I studied my undergraduate degree at the University of Virginia in civil engineering and graduated in 2003, proceeding to Penn State University for my master's degree in civil structural engineering from there. I am presently employed at a large multidisciplinary structural engineering firm in the Orlando, Florida area, where I am enjoying projects ranging from a 37-story condominium tower to amusement park rides. Before that, I worked for 11 years in the Washington, D.C. area at two different structural consulting firms. There I worked on a variety of projects, from those like single-family homes all the way up to multifamily and churches, schools, all variety of structures. There I also learned a lot about the different material types, working with all major structural materials, including concrete, masonry, steel, and wood. And I've designed both for wind and seismic. So I understand how challenging these topics can be, especially when you don't use them every single day. I also understand the challenge of studying because it seems a bit like a marathon to a structural engineer who is currently practicing on. And as such, in some ways it is, and you must prepare in the same way through training and studies and a regular schedule that is self-motivated and driven. And preparing you for this exam will make you more of an expert in the codes, more of an expert in other things that you do day to day to give you greater confidence in what you do. Things like quick hand calculations, hand sketches and drawing, drafting, an understanding of the codes and the material specifications. All of these things are critical to the exam, and we will review these topics, and they will prepare you as well for what you do every single day in your design work. Through this course with PPI, we will prepare you as best we can through a series of interactive lectures that, as I say, will cover all the various materials that are going to be on the exam in some form or another. And we will provide you with resources, whether free or for purchase, in order to help you guide your studies and deepen your knowledge in areas where you are weak. And you will find as well that we will provide you with online forums where you and your colleagues can interact, discuss questions, and discuss topics that pertain to the exam. We will give you access to additional materials throughout the course. I may upload certain materials to the forums as we go so that you can review those in your study time. And we will provide a framework for doing practice homework problems. I will be available throughout for questions or for anything you'd like to discuss. And most importantly, in my experience through studying for this exam last year, this course with PPI will give you a sense of community with your colleagues in engineering as you approach this exam day. As I say, this exam is one of the most challenging and one of the most worthwhile steps you can take in your career as a structural engineer. I look forward to the opportunity to help you prepare as you seek to obtain the SE license.